Good afternoon, everyone.
Promise?
Yeah, promise ko.
Okay. Pick it and put out your hands. Are you sure you wanna know na?
Yeah,
100%?
yeah,
Promise?
yeah, promise. They see me. What the heck? I think it's the gift. It's the schedule.
Yeah. Really?
To be revealed soon. A hearty meal. Nice. This is so cute.
Supposed to be blue, but it came out my printer black.
It's so nice. I love it.
Supposed to be blue.
I love it. Hey, yeah. Wow. Wow! Oh my gosh, what? Dumb. What the heck? The paper. Wow! One shoe shopping with 50 weeks.
This is a video.
Second year tayo.
Ah, okay.
Oh, thank you. For YouTube.
Special moment for Kuya Alonso. And with this, Tita Iya, Tito Aaron, and
Sa mga guests na nagpunta dito na gym time.
ganito yung gagawin nyo. Ipit nyo yung balon sa may legs nyo. And then, magja-jump kayo. Ito. Huwag alis, mapipicture lang ha.
Tapat mo dito.
Sabali ka na gano'n sa sofa. Go, see, go. 3, 2, 1, say go.
Go! Ay! Itong dalawang bata.
Go next.
No, I'm okay.
You want to get a like a pure sashimi or with rice?
Gusto mo, no? Naghahanap ng kasama. Mag-hi ka. Hindi ko pa nilalaro yung mga bata. Mag-hi ka. Hi! Kaya pala nagsasabi. Gusto niya din. Ang daming tao. Palisin natin. Gago. Buti hindi umiiyak. Bakit talaga ko ganda? Trampoline nga siya. Si ate. Nakatingin kay Tan.
Kuya, ang laki niyo.
Parang di ka... Ha? Kailangan may bata.
Wait lang, kuha kami.
Tuwang-tuwa si Vic.
Sabi niya, ay sir, dapat ko may kasamang bata ah. Bawal. Pinagbigyan ako.
Ikaw yung bata. Pinagtipan ng mga bata. Wala na may mic.
Yun lang.
Iyak yan kayo. Iyak tapos eh. Saka Tory Story. Smile! The new beef. Pickleball. Ay, video pala. Or pros.
Damn.
Nakatapat siya yung camera. Galing mo. Dito ako kay Sky. Team Sky! Anina! Nice! Nice! Naka-second bounce na ako. Double bounce rule. Madali naman mag-run. Mahirap. Nice! Nice! Wow! 1, 2. Nice!
There's something sa court na to. Nice! Nice!
Oh!
Pasok! Pasok!
Graduate me as I kwento what happened yesterday. So basically, pupunta kasi kami ni Brad to Taiwan on July, 2 days after my Vietnam trip with my parents. So, Inayos na namin lahat. We fixed the luggage situation kasi yung nabook naming tickets, wala palang luggage na kasama. So yun, we fixed the luggage situation. And then the itinerary, completely made by Brad. I was so thankful na ginawa na ni Brad lahat. Kasi she went to Taiwan already and she said na she wanted to go back with me. So, ayun, she was the one who made the itinerary. And for me naman, kahit ano, kasi when she went to Taiwan the first time, she got sick kasi nalagnat. So, medyo limited ata yung nagawa nila. Wherever you wanna go and whatever you wanna do, I'm okay. Basta may lanterns. Yun lang yung non-nego ko. This is my last week of my internship. And then, I will officially rest. Kasi I haven't rested after our thesis. As in, tuloy-tuloy talaga siya. So, yun. I'm looking forward for my June. I've been applying to multiple jobs from time to time. I've already got a couple of rejections and then other offers. Hindi naman kasi ako masyadong nagmamadali kasi ang tagal ko nag-aral, 6 years. And I know na a lot of people were telling me na sayang yung momentum mo while you're at your ano. Pero I wanna rest. I genuinely want to rest. Like kahit 2 months lang. Masaya na ako. Kaya hindi talaga ako nagmamadali. As long as the opportunities are still there. So, if may opportunity na gustong-gusto ko talaga, ina-applyan ko siya. Pero like, yung mga roles na parang, pwede na, ganun. Hindi muna. Kasi, baka may lumabas pa naman after my rest. Yun. So, last week, Friday, I got invited as a speaker for an event. It's a very last-minute event. I agreed. It's today. So, they invited me Friday morning and then I agreed. Kasi yung topic naman is something that I already discussed before. So, I don't really need to prepare a PowerPoint or like an outline. Kasi, ready na lahat. I'm just gonna reuse what I did before. So, yun. That's the gist of my morning and what's gonna happen.
For today. She is a summa cum laude candidate at De La Salle University, pursuing a double major in psychology and marketing management. Virtual round of applause, Miss Nadine Sky Moreno.
And then after that as well, I was a former Maya Philippines intern for employee engagement. And then I ventured out into marketing under Focus Global Philippines. So sharing with you an example of a resume that I did.
My talk is done. It's less engaging as how I did it when I did it the first time, since my first time was on-site or face-to-face. So yun, I will just rest for a bit. And then I will go to my work. Bye!
Good afternoon, everyone. This is my third Alborn cheesecake for this week. Fire! Zoom it in, buddy. It's the best cheesecake you'll ever have in your entire life.
Hi guys! So today is June 1 and the official day of my fun employment. I literally don't have anything to do anymore. And I'm breaking out. As in, this is ever since Sikihor. Tas hindi na siya nawala. And I don't know what to do because I've been following my derma naman. Pero walang nangyayari. Anyway, so for today, I woke up late. First time na parang Monday, hindi ko kailangan gumising ng sobrang aga. And then, yun, I woke up late, played ML, cleaned the condo, and then booked everything I had to book, pero hindi pa tapos lahat. Nag-book na ako ng photo studio and cycle house. I'm gonna go to cycle house tomorrow with Denise, and then nag-workout ako. And then now, I'm gonna go to Century City, buy some groceries. Anyways, this has been bothering me so much. I don't know what to do.
Nice!
Nice!
It's medium, but that's okay.
Thank you pala for
Good job!
Thank you.
Is that congratulations na?
Oh yeah, it's not.
I can promise,
Better.
but I'll try.
And then pasta, my favorite pasta in the whole wide world.
Hello. I'm literally eating lunch. Late lunch. It's 1:28 p.m. And I saw someone post na she saw her Laude na forgot. So, pumunta agad ako ng website and then since I have access to the graduation list, gagraduate ako. Thank you, Lord. And I'm just looking if makukuha ko yung awards na tinarget ko. Kaya ba't ako naiiyak? Alam ko naman nag-graduate ako. Alam ko na yun naman yung grade ko. 6 years of academic pressure, damn.